There is a new lady in town and she is called Lady Bloom Juice. Are you suffering from gut health, acid reflux? You are trying to start your weight loss journey, but the kilos, they're not moving. Do you know why? Sometimes our hormones are so imbalanced that you can't vinky or you can't vonko. So with a Lady Bloom Juice, it helps you. The reviews are amazing, guys. I am currently waiting for my order as I am trying to get on that cleanse. Ningibonile ukuthi uDecember bengimenjoy phela mina. Ngim-enjoyile, but now sengifika ukuthi I'm overwhelmed and my body is suffering. So I will be trying out a Lady Bloom Juice and I'll be taking you on my journey, guys. Usis Notando also, she's been suffering from gut health problems, weight loss issues for 13 years. So she formulated this amazing product to help us as women. Ukuthi silungise i-health yethu, guys, especially what most problems begin with our gut health. So once you have that together, you are able to find other issues in your system. So this is Lady Bloom Juice. I will leave all their details in the description box down below. Ama reviews more than 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 100. And everyone was just saying, wow, this helped them, especially for those people who are trying to get a detox plan in order and trying to lose weight. They said once they fix their gut issues and balance their hormones, they were on the Gau train. They were on the Gau train. So I will leave all the information in the description box down below. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, she's there. WhatsApp, the catalog is amazing. The products are endless, okay? With Lady Bloom Juice, you can also become a distributor so that you can get yourself some extra income. I love izinto ezine-black phakathi, guys. Next day, senza imali, siyaklowa, sibabahle, kuba busy. Thank you. Again, I'm getting a yami bomtabaka dad, bomtabaka coco, bomtabaka auntie, bomtabaka sissy. I am Sims and it's at right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. 2026 will not end without igaga. While thina besipheka ukudla kweChristmas namafamily wethu, uFelix Hlophe wenza i-abusive, wenza i-touching wrestling WWE Jet Li China on his beautiful wife, Tracy. Guys, when your relationship is so toxic that you can't even see past it, you just keep going back and you keep going back and you keep going back. This man insulted Tracy, insulted Tracy's family. Okay, it is alleged that Felix got very tumultuous at home, and then Tracy had to take the kids and run to a friend's house. And then when Felix got to the friend's house, why did he act so scandalous? Why did he act so dangerous? Why did he act like he wants to make the parts to be done on Tracy?
Muslim, awukho Muslim. Yeah, awukho kona Muslim.
Nabo baru.
Umuslim, awukho Muslim. Muzo njalo.
Oy mama.
Hayi
ngeyibeni.
Ayakho Muslim.
Mama ubani road.
Washona kanjani lo baba lo baba lapha washona kanjani? Washona phi?
Uthena.
Washona lapha lo baba lo.
Mina ngiyaqala.
How did he die?
Wena ufuna ukushona lapha?
Hayi kulungile.
Ngoba niyafana.
Ngilobolile kodwa.
Niyafana nawe lobolile. Tshela uba uhamba naye.
Fine. No, he's not going to stop taking. He's not going to stop.
Uthi unjani? Shona lapha.
He's not going to stop. No, Tracy, you were at home just now. Suddenly, you see Mr. Lorenzo, I went. Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Say what? Fine, hit the girl, give me my boy. Give me my boy. Fair enough. Fair enough. Just give him my boy.
He's sleeping.
Yes, he's sleeping because it doesn't know his dad is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because you're
But you can wake him up.
You'll see him in the morning.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. How long is your case for kidnapping? You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. You don't get his like that.
Felix Hassan.
Ngeke ngihambe ngawo. Ngeke ngihambe.
Mina ngizobala asambe se police station ovula icala.
Angindawo nawe ma, angindawo wena usikhombisa umama ngemama. Umhlangano nje bomama, umhlangano. Umsangano nje mama.
Cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowabheka utshwala.
Mama, whatever wena kufanele. Yeah.
Nawe lesazokwenzeka kufanele. Wena
Ukazini mina.
uyini?
Ukazini.
Wena uyini?
Yini?
Ngomuzi nje ngebond. Ngebond.
Ukazini yini mina?
Ngebond
Yini
nje.
zonke mina?
Police had to be called. The security estate had to be called for umfana unganangqondo onesithembu. Oh, I hate him so much. Like, I cannot stand. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is getting personal. It's getting emotional. But it's because of who Tracy has stayed in this relationship through this tempo, through the hurt, through the heartbreak, through the vinky, through the wrong. I don't even think uthi unevorce enhle uFelix. Belenta zenzayo. Unevorce yaseKuruman. I can bet you now. Kuthi ivorce yakhe ayinane gravy. But they keep going back. He just got married to Ayanda. The wedding was beautiful. Okay? So why afuna ukuhlukumeza uTracy? And a man that insults your parents, a man that insults abazali bako.
100%.
Exactly. So
And I will not make a noise.
you already said. What did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you.
Tracy.
When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face. I'm being you.
Phoyisa ngcono ngoba uyazibonela angithi uthi imina manje ngithele akenze kanje njengokubona ngithuli esho zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo even bekhuluma lapho nomngani wakhe bethi baya kovalida ngangimnqandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi ningane niyohlala nodwa wozani la ekhaya hamba nengane ezincane engane hamba ubusuku behambise engayakhe ngiyamsiza ngihleli nengane zakhe
Ayikho into omsizayo wena ubona umshado wakhe. Sifanje awulive.
Hawu.
Ayikho into omsizayo yona. Ayikho into omsizayo yona.
mina I don't agree
Ayikho into omsizayo yona. Ayikho into omsizayo yona.
mina ngiyakhetha
You
amabhesi
grandstanding, but you grandstanding.
ngiyakho.
What you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so. I've never met you.
Wena wazuka umuntu emhlabeni.
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
Hawu.
You don't have the. You have engaged. You have called to this house a father that has never been, ever paid a single cent of school fees. That I've been. Mina.
Mina ngimbizile.
Ufunanda.
Hayi
Ufunanda.
ala ikwami.
He's never showed up.
Mina enginemvumo yokuvumela.
Abona mina nginengane ngihlawuliwe zonke. Izihlawuli zenzela isiko zonke. Yes. Zonke. Angimkweleti inkomo lo mama.
Felix.
Ngimbesile ngaze
Lalela
ngamkhehla.
ngikutshela.
Lokho abakhuluma ngaye akaze ahlawule nesent zonke ingane zakhe
Wena
including le akaze ayihlawule. Wena usumbiza noma ninkosazi wakhe. Yes, unkosazi wakhe loyo.
Babizwe yimini.
Who was a best friend. Who was a best friend and slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami. Illegitimate
Ngibuza ukuthi
people.
ubizwe yimini.
Illegitimate people.
Ubizwe yimini. Ngibavelaphi?
Okay. Ukuthi babizwe wena, you allow them here. You're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people.
Inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngephase yakho.
No, even Christmas. So I can't have a Christmas with my own family. Because you
Uba
say,
nokuvimbile.
wena uvimbile.
Ngikuvimbele.
Ufike nje uzolindingane la. Ufike uzolindingane la.
Wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda kwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukhuluma khona ukuthi
Yeah.
awuphikise.
Yep.
Ugcina wena. Awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama facts.
This is
Awufuni
my
ukulazi
family. You
iqiniso.
do the same for your children. You do the same for your children. You will do the same for all your children.
Yeah.
What I'm doing today here, you will do the same. In fact, you will do worse for your children. I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay. Mr. Felix?
No, guys, I don't think this relationship, like, you know what? I don't even have thoughts on this relationship because at the end of the day has to end, and this is not my relationship, okay? But I'm just saying that I have thoughts, and my thoughts will keep inside because there's so much I want to say about Felix, but he's not happy. He's Felix Grug. He's Felix Bonkos. He's Felix from Vereeniging without a fast lap. That is who Felix is. Guys, Did anyone felt did anyone feel gaslit when they read that statement? Felix Kloppe. He was like, "Oh, by the way, guys, I see the video circulating online, and let me just tell you that my wife and I spent Christmas together, laughing." Like, uh, in that statement, no responsibility were taken. You minimized the altercation so small. Ukuthi besengathi manje yithi esihlanyayo, but we saw the videos. Like, Felix, you are such a professional manipulator. Like, I need you under the jail with P. Diddy and R. Kelly. Like, guys, in this vanilla statement, a whole lot of deflection. Like, it seemed as if like, well, Tracy took things too far. If she stayed, she would have been in Afop, Sanlam, Sopema funerals. What do you mean? Yeah? No, I was talking to my mother-in-law. No, you weren't. You were insulting your mother-in-law. Felix, yes, the video. I just think like this video is just like, guys, let's today because the more I just think about it, like Tracy, we are under a situation, so good luck and stuff. And I'm not gonna blame you because as a victim myself of a former abusive relationship, I understand what it's like to keep going back and staying and staying. Stay until he makes you feel like vomiting. Stay until when you just look at him, ubona ubona nale piece le ukuthi, "Ooh, lo muntu lo snacks." Stay until then, my sister. And when you leave, you won't look back. Buzami, uzoyenza i-pop cut. And the ones who pop cut, phelile ngumfana. See. Okay. Thank you, DJ.
Awenza i-podcast.
Ngisho kanjalo
Futhi
ukuthi
kuphele ngomfana.
into engisho ukuthi wayenza i-podcast phelile ngumfana.
Kahle kahle kuphele ngami kahle kahle.
No, wena angithi uyi-podcast eblonde, not the eyoqala.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukumake sure lapho.
No, no.
Indaba ye-podcast.
No, i-podcast is like new hair, new life, new journey.
Okay.
Yeah. Unenkinga?
Doesn't make sense now.
Ufuna ngene na ku-2026 or ngivulela ama-weekend?
Okay, baby, vele ama-weekend.
Okay, thank you.